All right, it's Christmas in August. What do we have here? This is from, apparently, Indy products. It really is Christmas.
Yeah, except Christmas in August in Florida means it's like 9,000 degrees today.
Oh, I'm not sweating at all. Let's see what this is. Got a cool sticker. All this for a sticker? I'm gonna say this is probably an intake. Look how huge those ports are.
Packaging.
If I was at home, I would still just throw everything because, you know, that's how I work.
That's what we do at Christmas, right? We
Yeah.
just chuck the wrapping.
It's like, hey, hardware, who needs hardware? All right, ready for this? I can't be nice about this, right?
Rip it open.
Oh, cow. That is cool. Let's get rid of this box.
All right, dual plane intake from Indy Power Products, aluminum. Bolt right onto our 7.3, which is sitting right there.
We should check that out, actually.
Yeah, let's see what it looks like on the motor. I'm dying to know what it looks like there. So you can mount any type of throttle body on there, or if you had the room, you could do an elbow and a throttle body. We're just going to do a flat mounted throttle body so that we can use a regular old school air cleaner for that NASCAR look, since we're doing the 21 theme.
Yes, I don't think anybody would even know what engine this is, because with the air cleaner, a lot of people are going to think it's carbureted, which, nah, that's not going to happen. All right, we have this taped up.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Whoa. Check that out.
Oh, yeah. Well, high-rise action. That thing sits high. Look at that.
Yeah, that's a good, just so people know, from the base over here, it's about, maybe I should do that, right? 15 inches high? No, 10 inches.
Good thing we got that cross member to lower the motor, because that, I hope we don't have a hood clearance issue, but
I think we'll be all right. We'll figure it out.
All right, let's take a look at that oil pan.
Oh, there's another box?
Oh, yeah, I brought two.
Oh,
We got more.
this is for Hanukkah. It's now Hanukkah in August.
Is that a Ginsu?
It is not. All right, I'm just throwing stuff in. I'm not even going to read that.
Yeah, we'll read the instructions later. We're not putting it on right now. We're just checking it out.
Whoa. All right. Something interesting right away is that's quality. Great welds. And look at that. Compared to a stock pan, which is, I don't know, probably down to here.
I think we gained somewhere between 4 and 6 inches of clearance is what I was told on the bottom side. And then you'll see there's something else in the box too, I think. The pan rail. Let's bust out the pan rail. And then we'll show everybody how this setup works. So this is the oil pan part is nice, but this is the key component right here.
Whoa.
So the key is this billet rail that bolts to the block, and then the oil pan mounts to that, and then they actually have different type sump oil pans. So we got one that's super shallow for fitment, but if you wanted to go road racing for real, you might want one with a kick out. So he can build you any type of lower that mounts to that. So it's a modular system.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, and then it's got the built-in holes, so the oil system flows through here. So you use your factory oil system, or the guys at Indy Power Products, Jim and the gang, have their own oiling system, which is what we're going to actually use on this engine. So it's going to be really neat. So that's the actual depth. That'll mount. Actually, we can come bring it over to the motor. All right, so you can kind of see down there how. Let me go on the other side.
So that's really the difference right here.
All right, so you can kind of tell, even though the engine's sitting here on the floor, how deep that is. Let me back up a second. You can see this, the depth of the stock pan. Actually, just hold that up, and then you can see how shallow that is. So yeah, we are going to save
I'll give you this shot here.
a good amount of inches. Yeah, you can see the depth there from the back. And then, oh, that's a good angle right there. Kind of shows. Let me zoom in. Hold on.
It'll be right around there.
Yeah, so you can see the bottom of the stock pan on the right, which is silver, aluminum. And then the black that Abe's holding is going to be about the difference. Not exact because we're just holding it up there. But the other thing to show you is if Abe could spin the engine back around to the side, the amount of clearance we'll gain on the side, which is where the lowest point to the rack and the cross member will be. Point that out, Abe, on the pan, about where the cross member will sit, if you don't mind.
Cross member will sit around here. Yeah,
Right.
right around here.
Yep. So now with the new pan, you can see, and we can even measure it, the two. You get a little bit more clearance where the bottom of the pan rail is, because it's much closer to the bottom of the pan rail on the block. So this will enable us to sit the motor lower in the car, and obviously that'll give us hood clearance, but if you move the weight of the engine lower in the car will actually handle better.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up with the Cyclone. And I got to get to work, so I'll see you later.